Hey y'all, it's your girl Sean from Simply B, and I just wanted to check in. I know you guys haven't heard a lot from us lately, but we're adjusting to major life changes. We have content coming out. Just be patient with us. But in the meantime, I personally just want to front load some of my own content and show you guys some wigs that I have been holding forever that I feel like I needed to do some reviews for. And I thought now would be the perfect time. You have Christmas coming up. Unfortunately, we missed Thanksgiving, but whatever. Still have some major events coming up. New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. Looking fly, trying to look fly, or what have you. And I just wanted to show you guys some wigs or whatever. So I'm probably going to be dropping some new wigs every week that I have bought over the past few months that I've had for a while. But I just wanted to show you guys this wig, y'all. I've had this wig since the summer, and it wasn't until today that I had this major crisis where I woke up late, had a company Christmas party that I was not prepared for with my hair. So you know what? Dug up in my stash and was like, let's try this wig. And listen, I would not advise anyone to try a new hairdo before a major event, okay? Where there's going to be a lot of people. Anyways, I want to show you guys this wig, y'all. I am feeling this wig, okay? Like, I didn't have to do anything to this. And I might do some cutting or whatever, just to like clean it up. But other than that, I love this wig, y'all. So I'm going to show y'all the box that it came in. This is Outre Premium Duby Wig, 100% human hair. Yep, and this is the wig I have on. I have it in the style Pixie, and it's in a 1B, if you can see it. Yep. So I'm going to turn around and let you see this wig. The care guide says to detangle hair from root to end before shampooing. I'm not going to wash this hair. Do not rub or twist, but gently finger comb the hair. Pat dry with a towel. Avoid stretching or damaging the cap. Do not place on a damp wig or mannequin or styrofoam head. Styling tools should only be used when completely dry. Yeah, I'm not using none of that. That's why I bought this wig, so I won't have to do any of that. So I'm gonna get up close some. Let you guys see the side. And all I did was just take my fingers and kind of like went in different directions. You can see, sorry y'all, my chair is a little squeaky. If you can see the back, I'll turn around some more. Okay, so this wig does have a comb in the back. It's real elastic, y'all. I have two big braids in my hair, and I feel like I cannot tell. Like, probably on this side a little bit, you probably can tell, but other than that, cannot tell. Again, here's my quick tidbits on this wig. Styling, finger. We not washing this. I didn't have to do any special braiding. Yeah, I have two big braids going just like this in my head. And my hair is thick as heck, okay? Again, this is the wig. See? And this is it on me. Nothing special. I just like pushed some of it back. Just like did my own thing in the front. All over that. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to DM me. I think I paid like no more than $40 for this wig. So it's a win. And then it looks good when I put my scarves on. I don't have to worry about my hair getting tangled in my scarves. Y'all, why haven't I worn this earlier? I had this since the summer. What the heck? But whatever. Thank you for watching.